Today we're making Christmas bark. Not just any Christmas bark. We're making holly jolly Christmas bark.
Was that like a Christmas tree that you were doing? This is gonna be a super short and sweet recipe to bring to all your family and friends, guys. Just like us, we're short and sweet, right? This will come together in legit like 8 minutes. You'll just need a few things. Do you want to take our bakers off the list of ingredients?
Yes. Brown sugar, 2 packs of butter, more sprinkles, 100 crackers, and 100 chocolates.
Oh, well, we really didn't count how many crackers these are, but we'll go with 100.
Yeah, do you hear that?
I hear it! Jingles is trying to tell us something. I hear it again! Let's go find out what it is! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Jingles took us on a trip all the way to the North Pole! He wanted us to help out Santa on a very special mission, and he turned us into elves! Now that we know all of the ingredients, you also want to set your oven to 350 degrees, because this is going to get popped in the oven really quickly. But what we want to do is put enough crackers to lay one single layer around the sheet. Well, now that you're an elf, what would you like to be called? What's your elf name?
Rock and roll, Valentina.
Rock and roll elf Valentina. That sounds pretty great to me. Let's see. What do you think mine should be?
Rock Thea.
Rock Thea? Rock Elfie Thea?
Yep.
Alright, well, we're some rock and roll girls then, huh? We're in a very special guest kitchen today, and we just came back from celebrating Valentina's birthday, and she had a birthday present explosion all over the kitchen.
Elf Noel, and she's hiding.
Oh, it did take us a while to find her. Grandma.
Yeah, Jingles.
I know. He came back with us from the North Pole.
If you didn't send a comment on the 13th, that was my birthday. So if you didn't send a comment, happy birthday to me.
That is right, December 13th. And how old did you turn?
8.
Julie, stop growing so fast. So once you have a single layer of all of your crackers, you want to try to make it as level as possible. We're going to create a toffee layer to go on top of our crackers. So we're going to mix the brown sugar and butter, and it's going to become very ooey gooey and delicious. Once you have all your crackers placed on the baking sheet, we're going to grab our saucepan and we're going to put our sugar, perfect, and our butter. All right. So we're gonna head on over to the stove now. We're just gonna let this melt until the brown sugar is dissolved. We'll show you what it looks like when it gets there. Alrighty, so this is the consistency that you're looking for. You can see that all the sugar has been dissolved and it's ever so slightly starting to come to a simmer. So at this point, we're gonna take it off. Remember, safety first, guys, in the kitchen, always. This is hot sugar and butter. So I'm going to be pouring it on at this stage. Wow, this is going to be glorious. I can feel it in my bones.
Yeah.
So now we're going to very carefully spread this out as evenly as possible, okay?
Delicious. It smells delicious.
I know, it does smell super good, right? You're not looking for like a thick layer on this, guys. It's supposed to be a very thin layer. Once we have that settled, we're going to pop this in the oven for about 8 minutes. And remember, you had it set at 350 before, so this is gonna go in for 8 minutes, and then we're gonna add our chocolate chips.
While we're waiting, What
This is
about
gonna be good.
what about Jingles and me? Tell you a story about me and Jingles to our trip to the North Pole.
Oh my gosh! Yes! Tell me everything. How'd it go?
While we were going to the North Pole, Jingles pushed me up into the air. I was flying.
What?
While we were going, I saw huge icebergs. But a narwhal came.
A narwhal?
Narwhal.
Oh my goodness. Were you scared?
No.
Oh, well, that's good. Okay, what
I
else
was
happened?
only scared of his pointy nose. But good thing the narwhal didn't let us on there. He led us on the icebergs. But then the icebergs went apart with the crack.
Were you scared then?
Yes, but I was dreaming of I wish I had ice cream.
That makes sense because you had sprinkles.
Jingles hopped on me. I bended on the icebergs, and he grabbed one right there.
Wow.
And we were grabbing all the iceberg. But then, while we made it from the icebergs, there was a storm.
A storm of sprinkles?
It was raining chocolates, all kinds of sprinkles,
Wow.
even a couple little balls of sprinkles.
Did you stick your tongue out and grab all the sprinkles?
I did. I was like, And then we saw the door. We ran. The guards of chocolates came along.
The chocolate guards, were they scary?
Yeah, they had red eyes,
Ooh.
very big teeth, and they lined up all around the door. We were so scared. We backed up, and it was a cliff. We almost fell. They came closer. The gate opened. The others came closer. We grabbed on to the mattress and we swish, swish, swish them away. We opened the gate, went there. More guards came along. Swish, 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 swish. Storm, wee! Swish, swish out of the sprinkles, but still. And we made it to Santa.
Oof. Oh my goodness. Thank goodness you made it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, Jingles, how are you feeling about all these chocolate guards? Oh, it must have been very stressful for you. It's okay. You guys made it, and that's what counts, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, thank you so much. Well, at least he's still jolly. I think it's time to grab our toffee from the oven.
Let's do it!
All right, so we pulled this out of the oven, and now we're going to sprinkle our chocolate chips like so. This is very hot at this point, guys, so remember, safety. They can help with the chocolate chips, but don't touch the pan.
I'll take the rest.
So now we're gonna just pop this into the oven for like 1 minute so that the chocolate can soften. Then we're gonna spread it around. So this is hot out the oven. Ooh, so smooth, huh? So you're just gonna smooth out the chocolate chips all over your bark. We use semi-sweet chocolate for this, guys, but don't be afraid to go with some dark chocolate because the toffee underneath is already sweet. This is baking with Thea, and Valentina is the queen of sweets, right?
I am.
So we go sweet for her. But once we have as much chocolate coating as we want, now we're gonna add our sprinkles!
Drum roll, please.
You can even add other candies to this, like maybe some Reese's to make it like a peanut butter version, or some peppermint. Oh, Jingles got a little love. He got a little chocolate love happening over here. Well,
Do you love
That's
sweets?
from his fight with the chocolate guards. Alright guys, we are going to let this set for about 10 minutes and then we're going to crack into it. So of course we're impatient and we pop this in the freezer. Figure out a way to break this without making a mess, which is probably not going to happen, but how lovely does that look? You see all that beautiful toffee?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm going to split this in half. You take one. You know what this reminds me of? All I want
For Christmas
is you. You, baby. Cheers. Oh wow. That is so good. It's rich and caramelly from that brown sugar that we used. And the sprinkles adds a lovely touch and just a light layer of chocolate pulls it all together. It's surprisingly not overly sweet at all, right? It's like perfectly balanced because we use saltines, which already have the salt on them.
I can take another bite already.
No, this is good. It's like sticking to my teeth in the best way possible. Is that chocolate all over my mouth?
No. Do I?
Well, we want to thank you so very much for spending this holiday season with us. And we hope that you and your families have a very, very Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays and whatever it is that you celebrate. Right, Mama? What do we say to our bakers?
Well, bakers, make sure to give us a yummy thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And don't forget to check out our Instagram. Yummy thumbs up. Till next time, bakers.
Ciao for now.